Okay, so your criminal history. Let's talk a little bit about criminal histories and the fact that if it's expunged, how does that affect your immigration status and any benefit that you're trying to get from USCIS or other immigration governing bodies such as Department of Homeland Security, etc., or Department of State. And so think of it this way. If you had a criminal violation, even though it might have been expunged, for criminal purposes and maybe for purposes of getting the job, that's a, or getting a job, that might be helpful. However, for immigration purposes, just because a conviction has been expunged doesn't necessarily mean that it has gone away, and you do not have to show it, or at the very least, you do not have to say that you were arrested when filing the forms. And so the general guideline for when filing the forms and when making a declaration to the USCIS or any kind of immigration governing body is to be very truthful about your situation, especially, if there was an arrest, you have to state that there was an arrest. The lack of stating that there was an arrest could be deemed misrepresentation, basically fraud and lying. And so that could put you in a whole other category, and it could make it a lot more difficult for your situation. So this is a very tricky area of the law, in part because it's a mixture of criminal and immigration law. And so a lot of times, well, not a lot of times, but almost always, in this case, you want to talk to an attorney to see what they say, because it might be that you need to put a good case forward regarding your criminal violation and how that could affect your ability to get a benefit. Because it could be, you got a criminal violation, and even though it was expunged, you could still have an issue in your case, such as, it might not allow you to get citizenship, or, there's other types of violations which the fact that you're applying for a certain benefit, it might put the government on notice that, oh, hey, they committed this, criminal act here, so they raise a red flag, and they could put you in deportation and removal proceedings, especially in this day and age and under the current administration. So get an attorney. It's going to be a lot better in the long run, and it's going to cost less actually too. So thank you for watching.